we are again, Lee.
Yeah.
Back out, Harry. Found a little farm today.
We have, yes.
So, you come with us and come and have a look, and then you'll see what we see.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready, let's go.
Come on then, mate. Know nothing about this one, Lee.
No, nothing at all.
Some graffiti though, mate.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? Definitely abandoned, you can see that for a mile.
Yeah, it's definitely abandoned, isn't it? Look at the roof.
Yeah, the roof's gone on it.
People have been here, mate.
Yeah, oh, just watch where you're walking, mate. Oh, look at that, how that's collapsed there.
Yeah, gee whiz. Do you know what this reminds me of, mate?
Yeah?
The one we done by ours.
Very similar.
Isn't it like the big barn?
Yeah. The house there, mate.
Only we never had a house in Ireland, did we?
No.
Mad, isn't it?
Check that out.
It's a dairy farm, wasn't it?
Yeah, used to be a dairy farm somewhere in Cheshire.
Yeah.
Doors open over there.
Yeah. All open, aren't they?
One's open here.
Yeah. Mad, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it goes further that way as well, mate.
Yeah, the whole
That
little
roof, that, innit?
bad, mate. It's dangerous, like, innit?
Wow. Jeez.
Age.
Yeah.
Wow.
The little a little walkway.
Yeah. Mad, that, isn't it?
I wouldn't even like to say how long this has been empty for.
A while, mate.
Yeah. I didn't have all the livestock.
Yeah. Crazy, isn't it? Moan as well, like. Some light on the situation. Mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool. Oh, it stinks here though, like. Oh, it stinks here.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Don't fancy walking on that, mate. That smells like pure slurry.
Yeah, you don't want to suffer on that, do you?
Oh, because there is, that's why.
Ah, right, okay.
Up there. I
Yeah.
take it that bit's getting used.
Yeah.
Like one of the other farmers. It's the usual thing, innit?
Alright, just try and get me light right, mate.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so.
That's just one big empty room, that one, mate, where the roof's collapsed.
Yeah.
we go this way.
Yeah.
So that's where we were just in. We're nosing this one and then let's have a look at the house then, I think, Lee. It's slippy there. Yeah, it's a bit slippy this.
Yeah, you just take your time.
Get.
Dark.
Yeah, just root.
Oh, it's just a room.
Yeah. Not interesting.
Are you there? Yeah, mate. Maybe that back.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, it says on the sign there. Don't know what the video is.
Yeah, it's all unsafe.
Yeah, CCT in operation, but.
Oh, no, it's out there. And that's just all little buildings, isn't it? Just the outbuildings. All much for much.
Yeah.
It's been empty for some years, like by the looks
That
of it.
looks like it's falling in itself.
Dust, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That one, mate. That roof up there, that's bad. That is bad.
Just time.
Yeah. Just shows how long it's been empty for, though, doesn't it?
Yeah. I never even knew about it.
No. This would have been the farmhouse.
I can see your way in, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Just have a look here.
Yeah, for me.
Part of the farm.
Oh, yeah. Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Just like to see what it's like from the inside, like.
Yeah.
Oh, it opens out quite a bit.
Oh, wow. This was huge, wasn't it?
This was, mate.
Wow.
Yep, also good.
All the way up there. Go back some way this way, like again, isn't it?
Well, I thought when I seen that then, I thought, oh, look at this, mate.
Oh, it's all still there.
Still here as well.
Wow, that's quite intact, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite intact, that. Full wood. Affy flow control.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. All the way down. All these is what these are all the feeding things.
Yeah, I can imagine so, wouldn't it?
Cool. That.
Good, isn't it, that?
Brilliant, that. That's the most intact one we've seen.
Yes, it's.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know what's this side. Oh, it's basically the same as the other side. Isn't it?
Yeah. So intact though.
It's like a spare bit there.
Yeah.
More machinery.
Cool, isn't it?
Like, watch this, mate.
Slippy, innit?
Yeah. So I'm going to get onto this path. I don't know what this goes to, you see. That's a bit more there, mate.
Oh wow. Tell you what, some size. Makes you wonder then, doesn't it, why it outrun our business or whatever. Do you know what I mean? Wonder why.
Oh,
Huge. That was something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Huge, isn't it?
That is massive, that one. It looked like some sort of feeding or something, didn't it? That's burnt down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Been definitely ready to put the animals in there.
That'll have been some fire, that, mate.
Yeah.
Jeez. Wow.
Right.
It's a shame, innit?
It is, mate.
Really good though, innit?
I just wanted to check what was outside.
Yeah. That wasn't being. That was bigger than that.
Yeah, definitely.
Much bigger.
So it's definitely a dairy farm.
Yeah. Massive dairy farm. And we're not going to go through all of it. It's all.
So basically the same.
Yeah, it's all
just
it's
like
all
a
the
bog
same.
round
Yeah. It's not a.
The best.
It's not the best underfoot, is it? And it's all, like you say, it's just all empty shells of barns now mainly.
It's just basically the opposite of what we've just done, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I like that bit though, that milking one, because that's
With
the
that
most
over
intact.
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen a few, haven't we? But not like
not
that.
as good as that.
Go on, mate.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Yeah, not as good as that. I'm gonna say this wooden one was like chickens, hens, something.
I don't fancy walking down there.
No.
That's quite sloppy. Unless we get to it from the other side.
Yeah.
That's brilliant, that is.
Yeah, it's superb, that, mate.
Yeah.
We nearly missed it, didn't we?
I know, yeah, we did. Yeah.
Where's that?
That's something else, isn't it? I'm just going over here, mate.
I know you can't actually get into it. It's just all like electrics and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Could be. Put them in that car then, is it?
Yeah. It's all right, mate.
You reckon?
Yeah. Where do you want to go see?
They come from that side. You want a pick of the house? Can do, like, see if we can get in there, yeah.
You get in that way.
That's where they came from, like.
Was it? I was.
Cool, I think.
Yeah, that's right. Didn't say that. It was us, really.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Someone got a short.
Have you?
I want to do it on the thing, yeah. Touch your eyes, mate, bloody hell.
I know, they took it out then.
Watch this white as well.
Loads of glass here as well, like. That's the back of that milking shed.
That's why we just been that.
Yeah.
There's that shed.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh shit.
Careful, mate.
Toilets. It's not like there's any way into that.
No, no way in.
Yeah.
Apple tree.
Yeah. There's no way in, that's how you get in there.
Got the conservatory on the back now, mate.
Wow. Cool, huh?
Got that.
Right, onwards and upwards then, eh?
Definitely on.
See
So we can get in.
if this is a way in or not, eh?
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, not these. Nope.
No.
No. It's the cupboard. Storage.
Oh, right.
And the other side.
Up this way, yeah. Where you said first. Right,
Yeah.
forward, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right, that's I mean, it might not be any access.
Oh, you go first, mate. Turn the light off.
We'll see, eh?
Me that side.
To get you on that one.
Yeah, certainly did, mate. We're cutting through that way.
Yeah, I know.
Ah.
Ah.
that way.
Looks that way, doesn't it?
Let's see if it's an easy way, but if not,
If not, then that's it, isn't it?
we'll go through that way, eh?
Watch them thorns, mate. No, well sealed, isn't it?
No.
No. Yeah, mate.
Yeah, like.
Well, it doesn't bode well, does it?
Yeah, this is our way in, mate.
Now, does it look like it's worth it, mate? That's the question.
Look at that.
Oh, it does, doesn't
It does, doesn't it? Don't give us your camera.
What?
I won't film you getting in and out. So we're putting your leg in first. Yeah. Got another brick on that, mate? Because I've got one here.
I'll stick that on.
That little bit easier.
Yeah, then we'll get out, mate.
We'll find a way. It look alright though.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's trashed, like.
Yeah.
There's hardly anything here. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
There's a brick there, just below you.
You only mean you want a leg bit?
See what I mean?
Yeah. Alright.
Right,
We're in.
we're in, mate. Whew. Kitchen. Okay. Shit. Okay. Where's one? I haven't seen that one before.
Just going to do a little video, mate.
Yeah, go on. Looks back in that far. Really, mate?
Oh, mate. See what's there?
No.
Big cellar.
Oh no, I've been that side.
I'm going to have a look that side.
It's a separate upstairs.
Oh, right, okay.
I've not been up.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh wow. Am I going to look at the way it goes round? Gonna go up?
Yeah,
And jump this side downstairs.
well,
Yeah, it looks like it's been a separate thing, mate.
going up here.
I'm safer, mate. Right, okay.
Is that alright, yeah?
Up to now. Oh wow, oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that.
Okay. Big room.
What the heck's that? What's that floor there, mate?
Yeah.
And over there. Oh, it's like a big shelf, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm locking on it, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah, just be careful here, mate.
Yeah.
Not too good there, mate. Oh dear. Bloody hell.
Bit dodgy that, mate.
Just a bit, mate.
That I wouldn't risk that.
That's on break there, so.
That alright, yeah.
Yeah. We go right across. Over.
You might be safe in the middle. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine, mate. Oh yeah, leads us to the main staircase. Alright.
Yeah, go in.
See where the joist is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on it, yeah. Yeah, we can go in that bathroom.
Oh wow.
The floor's sloping. I mean, it's been empty, isn't it? It's very empty, like.
Yeah.
Just be careful here, because I don't know what. Seems alright there, like. Wow. Wardrobes. Massive wardrobes.
Yeah. Coming now. Oh jeez.
Huge, innit?
Oh, we're not them over, haven't they?
Yeah. Nice though, innit? Would have been good in the day.
Yeah, definitely.
Just watch the bits of wood. Oh wow.
Oh, this is the main. Oh, pretty much. Fireplace.
Yeah. That would have been out to the conservatory.
Yes, that definitely was a conservatory.
Yeah. It's cool though, isn't it?
Good,
I know there's not much in it.
No.
Like it's been cleared out on it.
Yeah, certainly not.
I've never seen this room.
Yeah, I had a quick look in this before I come to you. Got light and that up and over. We took the fireplace out of this one though.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, isn't it?
Yeah. Good sized rooms, aren't they? It's got to be, what, 6?
Easy, mate.
6, 7 bedrooms?
6, 7. Now for the, should we? Did you see in that cellar the way it went round?
I've seen it when you went round, mate, yeah.
Did you go down?
No. But it looks massive.
It curves, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Watch them stairs. They're not very,
Not the best.
there's not much depth on them.
Oh, right, yeah, of course.
And watch the very bottom of me, something there.
Yeah, I'm just holding it on.
What the heck is this, mate?
Don't know. Going down.
Okay. Somehow I expected more.
Oh, right. I'll end with a sheep there, wouldn't it?
Coal shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, wine cellar, mate.
Yeah. Mad, isn't it though?
Yeah.
The way it curves around like that.
Yeah, you'd expect a bit more.
Yeah.
Just empty boxes and that, haven't
Mad, isn't it?
they? Yeah, it's good though.
It's just cool. It's so like, it's like so, I don't know. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Very. The walk up to it is bigger than it.
Yeah, it is.
You expect to go
More.
into some big massive thing, don't you?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, cool.
That's good, mate. Here he comes. There you go, mate.
Lovely. That was good, that.
Alright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It took us a while to find that though, mate.
It did. It really did.
We actually had this pinned, didn't we?
Yeah.
Hang on, before we go. Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah, we actually had this pinned
Yeah.
about 2, 3, 4 months ago.
Yeah. Easily.
And I was looking at my map and couldn't find it anyway, could I?
No.
Now we know there's another one over the road from here
Yeah.
that we've been to. That's sort of been a little bit built on,
Yes.
so you can't really get into it.
Yeah.
And we just thought it was that. And then we came today,
Yeah.
it was like, what, this pinning here? And we came to the same place, didn't we, and thought,
We
right,
did.
it's a no-go, because we know where that is.
Yeah.
And then when I looked at the map properly, it was the
It was
opposite
this
side
one.
of the
Yeah,
road, and
it
it
was
was
the
this
one,
one.
yeah.
So, there you go. Got it eventually, mate.
We did, didn't we?
We certainly did. Good one, that.
Brilliant, that was.
So, nice sturdy farm.
Yeah.
And it's climbing, and that was hard getting
Yes,
in.
it was.
Easy coming out,
Yeah.
but it was hard getting in. Lee had to fold my leg up like a bloody concertina, didn't you?
I certainly did, mate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right, so on that note, I think.
See you on the next one.
I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.